What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Today we've got another how to draw video. So I will be teaching you how to draw a pig, a delicious pig. And this one's an easy one. It's for all skill levels. So no matter your skill level, you can draw this pig. If you're a beginner, you could draw this pig. If you're advanced, you probably won't be watching this video, but you could draw the pig if you wanted to. I'm going to be using Adobe Illustrator, so you can follow along with me, but you don't have to have Adobe Illustrator. You could use a piece of paper, a whiteboard, even draw on your own face. Whatever you want to draw on, just start drawing. So grab your pencil, pen, marker, crayon, whatever you got laying around, and let's get to drawing. It is now time to draw a pig. Are you ready to draw a pig? I can't hear you. All right, cue bright classical music. Excellent. Good. All right, now let's begin with our sketch. We want sketch blue because this is going to be our first layer. This is just the rough guidelines here. So a circle for the head and a bean shape for the body and a snout for your pig. Now he needs eyeballs. One circle and another circle so he can see where the food is. All right, now we will move on to the legs. One leg, two legs, three legs, four legs for your pig, and some ears so he can hear when you're calling him for the food. He likes food because he's a pig. He eats lots of food and he pigs out. A curly tail for your pig and a couple nostrils so he can smell where the food is. And there you have it. Maybe a smile because he's been eating a lot, so he's happy. Now we'll start to ink it. Now we will follow our guidelines, and our guidelines are just there as a rough sketch. We don't have to follow them exactly, but they show us where to go. They're kind of our guiding light, our North Star, if you will, and we will follow them and make some legs. Now a leg is done. That is one leg done. And now another line here. Connect it. Two legs. Belly of the pig. Pork belly. And now a third leg. All right. The third leg is done. Now one more line here and connect it. Leg 4 is done. Bring up the chest and come back to the other ear. So just follow along your sketch lines. Yes, very good. Very nice. Hopefully you're following along with me now. Good. And one eyeball. And another eyeball. His eyeballs can be as big or small as you want. Now the snout I made a little bit long in the sketch, but this is your drawing, so you can make it however you want. And those guidelines are there, again, just to kind of give you a rough guide. You don't have to follow them. So if you want to cut things short or do whatever you want to do, your pig, your drawing, be free. All right, now, of course, he needs his nostrils. Yes, very nice. And if you want to do it again because you weren't happy with it the first time, sure. This is all part of the drawing process. And his head and a tail now. So his tail goes up, and there we go, a little curly Q. And the tip of it. Very simple. Like a ribbon. a ribbon tail for the pig. And now he needs some pupils because it looks cool to have pupils and not just big black eyes like a shark. So we'll separate his hooves now from his legs. Good. Good, that is done. Excellent. And of course, what pig is complete without a tiny hat? Pigs like hats, that's a fact. Of all shapes and sizes, but they especially love tiny ones. Now, you've got pretty much your whole pig done. A couple eyebrows here, and connect to that line. Take away the sketch line, and you have a pig. Your pig is done. Hooray! Congratulations! You've drawn a pig. Celebrate now by eating some bacon. Alright, now, what do pigs like? If I've learned anything from books and actually movies, because I didn't really read the book, but I watched the movie, and pigs enjoy talking to spiders. So we're going to draw a spider here with 8 legs. There we are. Nothing too complicated, just a circle with 8 legs and a little face, some eyes, and that's your spider. Nothing too crazy. And this part I will speed up because it is up to you now to choose whatever colors are in your heart for this pig. Choose whichever colors you want, however you think a pig should look. And at the end, you'll have something magnificent. And now the pig is done.